In this video, we're going to learn how to add citations and references in Microsoft Word. If you're a student or a researcher working on a thesis, report, or essay, adding citations and references is crucial. Thankfully, Word makes it really simple to manage all of that. Let's walk through how it's done. First, open your document and head to the References tab on the ribbon. In the Citations and Bibliography group, you'll find all the tools you need. Start by choosing your referencing style. In this example, we'll use APA, but you can select from options like MLA, Chicago, or Harvard, depending on your needs. Next, click Manage Sources. This opens the Source Manager, where you can add, edit, or remove citation entries. Click New to add a source. Choose the source type, book, website, journal article, report, and more. Fill in all the details: author name, title, year, publisher info, and so on. If there's no specific author, just enter the corporate author instead. Once done, click OK. You'll notice that the sources you've actually cited in the document will have a check mark. Only these will appear in your final bibliography. To add a citation, place your cursor where you want it. Click Insert Citation, choose your source, and Word will drop it in using the correct format. To create your bibliography, go to the end of your document, click Bibliography in the References tab, choose a built-in layout like Bibliography, References, or Works Cited. Word will automatically format it based on the style you selected earlier. And that's it! You now know how to add citations and generate a complete bibliography using Microsoft Word. It's fast, simple, and makes your academic writing look professional. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more helpful Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.